What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't, so please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I promise you, if you hit that subscribe button, some confetti is gonna pop out, so try it out. But anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. Today, of course, we're going to another car meet. Before we get there, I have to pump some gas because your boy's always running low on gas. Before I leave, I have to switch my shoe. You're probably like, switch your shoe? I hate creasing my shoes. Look at these shoes, nice and clean. But since I do drive stick shift, I have to put a croc on my left foot so my shoe doesn't crease. Check that out, guys. Bro, I don't even want to get out the car like this, like with the croc on and a Nike shoe on. People are gonna be like, what's wrong with this guy? Everyone's all the way over there. There's gonna be a bitch to find parking right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key kind of excited for this meet.
What?
Early. I don't even think we're gonna be able to find parking just because it's so packed. It's like the second time I see this Camry. What people say about my car when they see it, they see a big ass like gray Mustang with some like shiny ass wheels. That's crazy. Chevy cut. Look at my cut. S2K right here. Okay, I see you. I don't even know what that thing is, but Jesus. That's crazy. Looking out to find parking somewhere else. I'm not gonna leave my car here. Oh dude, look, this that Mustang we see all the time. Look, man, when you want to have nice shoes, but I don't want to crease my shoes, so I gotta drive with a croc on and the other shoe on, man.
Brand new shoes.
Yeah.
So you clutch foot Crocs.
Yep. So they don't crease, you know.
Jesus.
Damn, this could be me right here. Literally, this could be me. I don't know, man. I'm kind of attached to this one. Damn, my boy. All right, I see you. Look at the wheels on this thing. They're so shiny. All right, guys, look. So he ended up taking off the stripes on the Shelby. What do you guys think? Personally, I think it looks better.
I think my car looks naked as fuck now.
I think it looks better. Just, I feel like it complements the red, you know? We got a Hellcat over here. Scat Pack. I don't know if you guys remember the Miata, and then we have Tony over here. Last time we were with these guys, we all got tickets, so hopefully we don't get tickets again. Jesus, this thing is so low. Guys, check out that Mach 1. This thing looks so chill. Another Mustang with a tire. Looking like crazy. He got Texas plate too. Sir, how have you not gotten pulled over? Damn, my boy got a fat ass tire in the back. Jesus. We have another Mustang right here. I think it's like a 15 or 17. Has a GT350 front bumper. I gotta look at this real quick.
Hey, this is that guy.
Alright, my boy, I see you.
Got
the GT5. This one?
No, he was at the meet with me when I went to the Mustang meet.
Then that red on this is crazy. Look at the wheels. He has welts on. Looks nice. That's crazy.
Custom looking at, right?
The white body on these cars are just so nice to me.
Did they lift this thing?
Damn, look at that dog, man. I like your dog, bro. It looks so nice. Cops is literally blocking the entrance. What are they kicking everybody out?
There's too many people.
My boy with the Z over there. Alright, it's you. I see you. I see you.
The Cressida.
Cressida.
He has a chaser.
Yo, he has Ahans too. I have Ahans on. All it needs is like a nice wrap, and this thing looks nice. We got the carbon fiber on it. Sheesh. Oh, look at this. Look at this Mustang. That's insane. My boy, this is crazy. And it's stick shift too. Ain't no way. Yep. What do you guys think? Then we have this as. This is crazy. Oh no, I don't know how to feel about the wide fenders on this car. If it wasn't wide, it would have been sick. Boy got the carbon fiber hood on it. Other than that, it looks good, but oh my god, look at this thing. I'm telling you guys, it's like literally a Mustangs everywhere and shit. But like that carbon fiber hood on this thing is crazy. The white on it with the bronze. Jesus, hold on, I gotta look at this thing real quick. This thing looks nice. Oh, what the fuck? Hey man, I don't know whose car is this, but damn, my boy, I see you. This is crazy. Kiani found some dogs. I know, everywhere we go we see that GTR. It's for sale. It's the one that was next to that red Supra. These type of stripes. Looking good. Alright, my boy, I see you. Not bad. Got a Hellcat right here. Looking mint. Okay, I see you. Alright, I see you, my boy. This is a car. This is a car. Jesus, that thing is oof. Boy got titties in the front. Titties. This.
Nice as rap.
This. Anyways, I was looking at this thing from the other side. It's literally a Mach 1. Which is that my boy got the carbon fiber wang. The wang. I don't even think, what kind of wheels are those? See, I don't know why people get a Mach 1 and 10 speed. I understand they're fast, but come on now. I know, I saw that, man.
I should have brought mine. I could have done some sick content.
Jesus, alright, now this. Dude, look the glitter on the hood.
Clean Mustang here.
Whoa, bro, do you?
Yeah, it's like partial wide body.
I don't think I've seen this before. This car was built. This car is well done. Jesus, I see you. Sure, I like. When'd you get your Camaro, bro?
Bro, this is like the 10th gen Camaro that they just came out with.
No way.
In the front here, sir.
Bro, the tail lights on these Subarus just look like Hondas.
It's like, damn, bro, you guys are.
Tell me those aren't Honda's tail lights. Damn, how do people get these dogs? But yeah, guys, that Mustang just it looks so clean to me. So at first I thought it was one of the new gens, but it's the one we have. It just isn't falling apart. Oh!
On the earth.
My boy on the earth. Literally see this car everywhere. That's crazy. Literally more parts. This whole line is full more parts. All these bikes fit in one parking spot. Might just get a bike. You're gonna get the door for me?
Huh?
You're not gonna get the door for me?
The windows?
You're not gonna get the door for me?
Oh, sí, putito. Whoa! Hey! Ladies first.
Oh yeah? That's how you feel?
I got you, sweetheart. Don't worry.
Shit, I forgot.
So I wanted to maybe swap it out for like a
The tint on that car is ridiculous. You cannot see anything. Literally mirrors. My boy with the Cobra.
You get scared. Yeah, low and slow, baby. Slow.
Jesus. What's up, bro? titties on the side of the.
Right?
These just look so good. I have to fuck around and get one of these. My boy literally lifted a Ford Explorer up. This looks fun to off-road. I always see that Z. I see you. It looks clean. That looks nice. I don't know who the fuck will build a car like this. This fucking idiot car just doesn't fucking look good. But alright guys, we're on our way. As always, you know, gotta rock the Crocs. That way I don't crease the shoe. Bro, we've been in the fucking parking lot for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes just trying to get out.
Hello, sir. Can you please turn off your vehicle?
It's off.
Okay, can you just place your hands on the steering wheel, please? Do you happen to have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
I do have everything.
Okay, where would everything be at?
My back pocket, my license, and the rest on the glove department.
Okay. You said it's in the glove box?
Yeah.
Do you have any weapons in the vehicle?
No, I guess they buy. You guys could check the car if it's
I'm
something
just
going
asking
on.
you. Are you on parole probation?
No.
Okay. I do need to see your license. You said it's on your right pocket?
Yeah, can I reach? Okay,
reach with your right hand slowly. Just keep your left one where it's visible.
It's in my...
It's in your left. Okay,
Yeah.
you stated your right. Go ahead with your left. Give this back to you.
Thank you.
In there. So I'm giving you a citation for not having the front license plate. This is not an admission of guilt. It's either you're going to take care of the ticket or there's a court date for you.
All right.
Okay? Yeah, but California law, you should have both plates.
All right.
Yeah, let me get you a copy.
Thank you.
Alright, when it's safe to do so, please join traffic.
I will. Thank you.
Yeah, he did so. Alright. Drive safe.
Alright, sir. Take care.
You too, sir. Alright guys, now that that's out the way, me getting a ticket. I literally got that ticket already. I have it like 3 times, maybe 4 times, just the front license plate. And it's all in this year, like within this year. I just got in the same ticket. I need to go get it signed off or something. But yeah, I don't know where we're going. Saw 4 of us. I think we're gonna go to some canyon run, so we're gonna get some content there or whatnot. But alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I said I'll make the video into 2 videos, simply because if I add the canyon part, the video is gonna be a little over 30 minutes, and I feel like that's just too long of a video. I'll be dropping the second part either on Thursday or Friday. But hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time.